Did you know that the fastest way to grow on YouTube today isn't about going viral? It's about going narrow. It's true, if you're trying to be everything to everyone, you'll just end up being nothing to no one. But if you zero in on a specific niche, everything changes. In this video, I'm going to show you why niche content isn't just smart, it's essential. Whether you're brand new to content creation or struggling to get traction, the secret to long-term success isn't more content, it's more focused content. Let's get into it. One of the biggest misconceptions about content creation is thinking that casting a wide net will catch more fish. But the opposite is usually true. When you try to reach everyone, your message just gets watered down. But when you focus on a specific niche, your message becomes crystal clear, and that clarity attracts the right audience for you. Think about this. When somebody searches for content online, they're usually not looking for general advice. They're looking for answers to specific problems. So the more specific your content, the more valuable it becomes to those who need it. Being specific also builds trust. Your audience sees you as someone who truly understands their world. And that trust, it's what leads to growth and engagement and eventually revenue. Now let's talk about the algorithm. Whether it's YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, every platform is designed to keep people watching, and the algorithm's job is to recommend content that users are most likely to enjoy. So if your content is all over the place, the algorithm just has a hard time figuring out who to show it to. But if your content is focused, say you always talk about digital productivity for entrepreneurs over 40, well, then the algorithm starts to understand who your audience is. It picks up on patterns. And once it knows that, it can start recommending your videos to more of the right people. One of the biggest advantages of niche content is momentum. When your videos are all centered around a theme or a topic, your channel can become bingeable. One video naturally leads to the next video and so on. And that's huge for watch time. And we all know watch time is one of the biggest signals platforms use to recommend your content. Plus, niche content attracts subscribers who know exactly what they're signing up for. So your audience grows faster and your subscribers are more loyal. They keep coming back for more. Here's a bonus. Creating niche content actually makes your life easier, believe it or not. When you know your lane, you don't have to start from scratch every time, and you're not constantly asking, gee, what should I post today? Instead, you're building a library of related content. Every video builds upon the last video and your ideas compound. Your expertise deepens and, well, your confidence grows too. You also save time, a ton of time. You get faster at scripting and filming and editing because you're not reinventing the wheel every time. And that means more consistency, and consistency builds credibility. Now, you might be wondering, but won't I get bored sticking to just one topic? The answer? Not if you approach it the right way. A niche doesn't mean you have to repeat yourself constantly. It means explore a theme more deeply. You can still use different formats like Q&As and tutorials and storytelling and reviews and opinion pieces, and you can do all of that within your niche. For the most part, creativity thrives on constraints. A niche gives you some boundaries to push against, and it helps you focus your energy instead of scattering it all over the place. And that's where real creative breakthroughs can happen. Choosing a niche isn't always easy, but here's a simple way to start. Ask yourself, what topic could I talk about for the next 100 videos without running out of ideas or losing interest? That would be your first clue. Then think about your skills. What do people already ask you for help with? And combine that with what you enjoy and what you know, and then you're going to be on the right track. Remember, you can refine your niche over time. You don't have to have it all figured out today. You just need to start with something you care about and then build from there. I've certainly lived that experiment on this channel, and I've been all over the map with different kinds of content. It's only more recently that I've narrowed in on my focus and been able to gain a little bit more traction with what I create. So I know it works. And so if you've been spinning your wheels trying to make a breakthrough, maybe the solution isn't working harder and creating more content. Maybe it's just focusing deeper. A clear niche will help you stand out and grow faster and connect with the people who truly need what you have to offer. You've got something valuable to share. We know that. Everybody has expertise in something. And when you narrow your focus, you amplify your impact. So now take that next step. Define your niche and build something amazing. My channel is here to support you on your journey, so please consider subscribing. And I invite you to watch one of these helpful videos next. I'll see you there.